Hello everyone, today we're going to just do a test for this screencast recording. So I'm going to take you to a few websites to show you a few resources about Chicago politics. So, in order to get started, we're going to go to my advisor Dick Simpson's website on UIC's campus. If you go here, there's a link of information that he has compiled about Chicago politics. Actually, you can also just Google Chicago politics, UIC, and then you have a bunch of information about Chicago politics here that we can check out. So we got anti-corruption reports, city council voting records, Cook County voting records, DuPage County voting records, and what we're most interested in is the Chicago Political Encyclopedia of Film, which has a bunch of different resources that you can use to learn about different parts of Chicago's political history as well as political present. Thanks for stopping in today, and talk to you later.